In the world of online shopping, customer reviews are the lifeblood of decision-making. But have you ever wondered how video reviews work on Amazon? Well, it's a fascinating journey. When a customer purchases a product, they have the opportunity to share their experience with the world. They can record a video, detailing their thoughts, use of the product, and even demonstrate its functionality. This video is then uploaded to Amazon, where it undergoes a review process to ensure it meets community guidelines. Once approved, it's published on the product page for all to see. These video reviews offer a real-time, authentic look at the product in action, far beyond what text reviews can provide. They empower potential buyers with a deeper understanding of the product, helping them make informed decisions. So the next time you're shopping on Amazon, check out the video reviews. They might just be the deciding factor in your next purchase. Remember, a well-informed customer is a satisfied customer. Until next time, happy shopping.